previous episode.
Vanilla. Oh god, there's two of them. Oh god.
And so our story continues.
Okay, metal stick. What the hell do I do with metal stick? Let's go and see if that dude's still there. Maybe he can give me some pointers. I'll wait here for a bit. Okay, you want no help then? Metal stick. I didn't really explore that room. I feel like I should go back, and I feel like I'm missing something. Nothing to do with the TV then. Metal stick. Hello. Join the metal stick with a disc. Okay, let's do that. And I found the item hidden door key. I wonder if that is the same hidden door as Ha. Use the item hidden door key. Is that a way out? Yes. It looks like we can get out. It looks like we can get outside from here. I should bring Takuro here. Yeah, because it's always that easy. I don't trust this in the slightest. This noise is making me expect a jump scare at any point. Are you serious, Hiroshi? Takuro, join the party. I love that he just said, "Are you serious?" I didn't say anything to him. I don't know if I trust him. He seems a bit too eager. Oh god. Oh, is he eating the ladder? Oh, that's nice. Ah! Why is there always one that falls over? It's like the girl in those movies that trips and twists her ankle. She's like, "Help! Help! I'm twisting my ankle. I can't run. Help me!" Okay. Right. And he's gone. I'm guessing that he's been got by... Oh, hello. I'm guessing he's been got by the thing. No. Found the item back door key. I'm such a child. Back door key. Oh, come on. You're 26. Be a grown-up. Okay. Does that go into that hidden... the hidden door? You can tell that I'm kind of new to this whole commentary thing, because there's lots of parts of silence in this. Use the back door key. Oh, I'm outside. I'm outside, but I'm still trapped by giant, big things. Another building? Really? How do you not see how big this place is from the outside? Won't open. Aha! Anything over here? No. No. No, okay. Definitely nothing over here. Seems like there should be something in this room. Yeah, I'll probably come back here at some point. Ooh. Okay, so it's some kind of devil worship thing going on then. Maybe that's what the Ao Oni is. What's that? Oh, it's too dark to see down. It's too dangerous to climb down. Okay, second floor it is then. Okay. So Jesus! Oh. Oh. Did not appreciate that in the slightest. If this is how I am playing this, I don't know how I'm going to be when I start playing Slender the 8 Pages, because that's another one I want to try. Can I jump down the hole? Yes. Dice. Okay. I unlock that door now? Yep. My heart is going like a fucking drum. Door's locked. Yeah, I know the door's locked. Ooh, somebody's been drawing on the walls. And it ends rather abruptly there. Something seems off about this wallpaper. Plate shard time. Aha. What? Oh god, is he in the outside room? Hide, hide, hide in the wardrobe. I hate the breathing noise. Leave me alone, please. Please. He's gone. Oh, okay. Somebody went a bit mad with the felt tip pen. What's that? I found the item die. Die? Oh, I always call them dice. I know the singular is die, but I call them dice. So I'm guessing we put the die in the in with all the other ones, wherever they were. Is it in here? No. It's in the downstairs room. Can't be bothered to walk downstairs. Jump! Let's put the die in the hole. Yay! What? Okay. Okay. I'm going to take a photo of that, actually. That seems kind of important. And there's no way I'm going to remember that. Okay. The other feeling there's something supposed to do in here. Something with that hole. I've got to climb down that hole, obviously, but there's something... What's that? What's that? Just the back of the... There's a button underneath the pew. Press the button. No. I don't press a button until I know what it does. It could do anything. Okay, let's just click everything. See, anything really... Ah! There's a button. Are there buttons under all of them? No? Yeah, okay. I'm guessing there's buttons under all of them. Oh! Oh, hang on! The dice! Ah, yes, it's 3 by 3. Okay. So... That one. That one. That one. That one. No, hang on, I did it wrong. Shit. It's weird. I always find with these games, who actually... It's like the Spencer Mansion in Resident Evil, all those different keys and things like that. Who actually decided to come up with puzzles to open doors and things like that. It's just ridiculous. You know, if you come home, you want to get in your front door as soon as possible. You don't want to have to run around finding puzzle pieces and solving codes and things like that to be able to get in your front door. Yes. Oh, is that noisy? Okay, sorry, didn't mean to intrude into your church. I will leave you alone forever now. Goodbye. I'm just gonna go out and I'm gonna have a dance singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. Okay, he's gone. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not give it a like, maybe a favourite, or you could even, bear with me on this, you could subscribe. That would help me out a lot if you would. Really hope you like this video, and there'll be more up soon.